Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can turn on professional account on your Instagram. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here you can tap on your profile right here. And then you can tap on the three-dot bar that you can see right here. Then we get to the settings and activities, from which you'll have to scroll down until you see the option of account type and tools. Here you can see the option of account type and tools. Tap on it, and from here you can get the option of switch to professional account. Tap on it, and then tap on next. Then in here, you'll have to describe yourself. So if you are an artist or if you're a musician or any kind of thing like that, you can select it according to what you want to describe yourself. So after doing that, here you can also turn this option off, display on profile. So if you want this to be displayed on your profile, you can do that, or you can turn this off just like this. Now all you have to do is tap on switch to professional account. And just like this, here you'll have to choose what kind of professional account this is. Like if you're a creator, you can do that. Or if you are a business, you can select that and then tap on next. So in here, if you want to connect your Facebook account and your Instagram, you can tap on continue. But if you don't want that, you can tap on not now. Now you have successfully set your professional account. Now you also have all of the professional tools in order to connect with your audience. And if you simply tap on this cross icon right here and get to your profile right here, you can see this is your professional dashboard. And if you also get to your DMs, there will also be the option of general, primary, and the request option on your DM. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.